friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you all amazing magic trick and I'm going to teach you all how to do it also. For that I need a volunteer. So I requested my father to be a volunteer. He will be having a notebook for the magic and to do the magic I will be having a bunch of sketch pens. It's a normal sketch pen. Now I'm going to blindfold using this yellow cloth.
I'll tell my father.
Hmm?
Okay, tell me, Arya, what is the count of this finger
5,
and this one,
3,
uh, this one,
10,
this one.
1.
So you can see that he is not able to see the things properly here.
Now I'm going to take the sketch pens and going to shuffle them and request my father to take any of the sketch pen and write it in the notebook. And I'm going to guess the color of the sketch pen he chose. Now my father has gave me the sketch pens. Now I'm going to guess which sketch pen he used. Not this. Not this. Not this. He used this sketch pen. Let me open my blindfold and check. He used orange color. I guessed it right. Let me do this magic trick and show again. Now I'm again going to give my not going to use the blindfold. I'm just going to close my eyes. Now my father is going to choose any one sketch pen. Now my father is going to shuffle them. Now let me guess the pen. Not this one. Not this one. Not even this one. Even not this. Not even this. Not even this. He has choose this pen. Let me check. He has chose the purple color pen. Now let me tell how to do this magic trick. If you have noticed properly, you can see that the cap,
Notch.
the notch of the pen is straight to the letters written here. All the pens. But when the volunteer removes and puts the pen cap, it will turn the other side, and when we are touching we can feel the rough thing. But make sure the audience do not get to know that you are touching this. And when you are touching, do some actions in which they cannot get to know. And when you get to know that this is not straight to the letters, that is the pen they used. This was the magic trick for today. Thanks for watching. For more magic trick videos or more craft videos, subscribe to my channel and like this video. Thanks for watching.